T-Mobile 5G drops are frustrating, but often fixable. Let's break down why they happen. First, understand that T-Mobile uses different 5G bands. Low band, 600 MHz or N71 for wide coverage but slower speeds. Mid-band, 2.5 GHz or N41 and 1.9 GHz or N25 for a balance of speed and coverage. And high-band, wave or N260 for ultra-fast speeds in limited areas. Drops occur when your phone switches between these bands, encounters congestion, especially on mid-band in cities, or has a weak signal due to distance or obstacles. Your phone's compatibility with these bands also matters. Older devices might not support all bands. In rural areas, weak signal strength on low band is a common culprit, while in urban areas, congestion on the N41 band during peak hours may be to blame. Start by checking your phone's 5G settings. Ensure 5G is enabled in network preferences by going to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, and selecting 5G as the preferred network type. Disable Wi-Fi calling temporarily, as it can sometimes interfere with 5G connectivity. Find this option in your phone's call settings and turn it off. For Android users, dial *4 to view signal strength in dBm. Lower, more negative numbers indicate weaker signals. Use apps like Network Cell Info Lite to see which band you're connected to and monitor signal details. It's available on the Google Play Store. Force band selection in your phone's settings if possible. Prioritize N71 for better stability or N41 for faster speeds where available, and ensure your device supports these bands. Make sure your phone's firmware is up to date. Check for updates through T-Mobile or your device manufacturer, as firmware fixes can resolve connectivity issues. Check T-Mobile's coverage map on their website or app to identify areas with known issues and plan your routes accordingly. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for assistance or possible SIM card updates to resolve ongoing 5G drops.